Buka aplikasi VMWare. Klik File, lalu klik New Virtual Machine. Pilih Tipikal, lalu Next. Ikutin instruksi, lalu Next. Pilih OS-nya Linux dengan versi Linux kernel 64-bit. Berikan nama VM-nya, lalu set lokasi install VM-nya sesuai kemauanmu.
All around say her body is fantastic, all natural, not a piece of fur is plastic, head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch, yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation, don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration, and I've always learned it better with the hands on it.
Lalu klik Next. Set kapasitas harddisknya ke 80 GB, lalu Next. Custom hardware. Kemudian pilih CD/DVD. Gunakan ISO image, cari file vanilla OS-nya, dan set RAM-nya ke 2 GB atau 4 GB. Klik Finish. Jika sudah, langsung klik Power On. Ditunggu prosesnya.
You look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late.
Nah muncul, klik Show Application, pilih Setting. Di sini kita akan disable power management-nya dan atur resolusinya supaya instalasi berjalan dengan lancar.
They say she's too cold, where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She's got a body like a coffin. Likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin.
Install Vanilla OS, lalu ikutin instruksinya.
I want that body, baby, show me.
Bagian partisi, klik Configure, pilih Entire Disk, format seluruh isinya. Pilih manual partisi kalau ingin custom partisi. Buat user dan passwordnya.
Mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. Big, big pride, that's the thing. Every night, got a team. I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just with it, had no shame, I'd admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Setelah selesai, klik reboot.
I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man.
Masukkan user yang dibuat tadi.
Live, get it up. You got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small. Cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if
Sekali lagi atur power management dan resolusinya.
They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Klik Let's Start. Aktifkan Office atau Common Utilities jika diperlukan, lalu klik Next. Install. Masukkan password user.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know
Lalu reboot.
I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
Menunggu instalasi lagi, dan jangan lupa internet juga harus ada ya.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching, don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this, don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching, don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this, don't try to stop me now.
Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're...
Masuk ke setting, lalu pilih resolusi max monitormu.
Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grow yourself a stack. And tell the world they get stuck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back.
Everybody wake up, it's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up, live the life you want now, a life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how, just get your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Nah, selesai. Inilah tampilan vanilla OS-nya. Yuk main-main sama aplikasinya.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight